In today's video, we'll be covering how to install the all-new aluminum horn accessory for the VOW and VO-CT series speakers. For this process, you will need the following tools. First, we're going to remove the stock dust cap from the VOW. It is important to hold your chosen cutting tool at an angle nearly parallel to the cone. Once you have a firm grip on the base of the speaker, go ahead and insert the blade into the dust cap just above and inside the angled lip. Carefully cut your way around the dust cap as evenly as possible until it is fully separated. Next, check for any leftover material or jagged edges that might need trimming. After the dust cap has been removed, simply unscrew the two Phillips head screws and remove the stock aluminum shorting ring. Very carefully place the horn into the speaker's center and line up the mounting holes. Insert the supplied 3mm Allen head screws into the mounting holes and then tighten them down. We recommend applying a very small amount of thread lock adhesive onto the end of the screws to ensure that they will not loosen over time due to vibration. Once the screws are tightened down, you're all set to install or reinstall the VO-CT series tweeter, mount this thing in an enclosure, and let it rip. For more info on the VOW and VO-CT series, head over to ddaudio.com or find a dealer near you at ddaudio.com/dealers.